Hey everyone, so here's a question on algebra. The question is solve the following equation and evaluate x by using a method of isolation. So there are two ways actually to solve the equation, that is a balancing method or the isolation method. Other one is a transpose method. Here they're asking us to use the isolation method or the balancing method. Let's start solving. So balancing method is you have to balance, like whatever we adding, we have to add or subtract on both the side of equation. Same goes for multiplication and division. So the given equation is a minus 7 is equal to 5 plus a by 2. So our main aim is to bring the variables to the one side and the constants to the other side. So I'm going to take this a plus 2 to the, I want a by 2 to the left hand side, right? So now balancing method means I want to remove this a by 2 from the right hand side. I want this to be on the left hand side. So what we're going to do here is we're going to subtract a by 2. Why we're subtracting? I want to remove this a by 2, right? So if I subtract a by 2 here, then this a by 2 will get cancelled. So we're going to subtract a by 2 on the both the side of the equation. Okay. So here that's the first step. So subtract a by 2 on both side of the equation. By doing that, we'll get a minus 7, then minus a by 2. So this is equal to 5 plus a by 2 minus a by 2. So I hope it's clear. So whatever we're doing, we have to do it on both the side of the equation. So here this a by 2 plus a by 2 and minus a by 2 will get cancelled. So that is why we have subtracted minus a by 2, subtracted a by 2 on both the side of the equation. So this will be equal to, so from here we can write down, I'm just rearranging this. So this is a minus a by 2, I'm just rearranging the terms here, minus 7 is equal to 5. Now see, I don't want this minus 7 on the left hand side, I want that on the right hand side. To do that, I want to remove this minus 7 by 2, right? So here minus 7 is given, then you have to add 7. It's like a opposite sign. To remove the 7 from here, we have to add, because minus is there. If you add it, you will get removed. So next step is add 7 on both the side of the equation. Okay, so add 7 on both side of the equation. So by doing that, we'll get a minus a by 2 minus 7, then plus 7 is equal to 5 plus. So here it's minus 7 plus 7 will get cancelled, or it will become 0. So here we'll get a minus a by 2 is equal to 5 plus 7 is 12. Now right hand side is clear, we got 12, but left hand side we have a minus a by 2. We cannot simply subtract them, we have to take LCM and solve it. So this a can be written as a upon 1. So we know that whenever we're subtracting of fractions or the rational numbers, denominator has to be same. Here they are not same, we have a 1 and 2. So we'll take LCM of 1 and 2, which is nothing but 2. So LCM of 1 comma 2 is 2. So the next aim is we have to make denominator same. So we're going to multiply according to the what we have in the denominator. So first number we have here is a upon 1. So with 1, what we should multiply to get 2? It's 2. So multiply 2 in the numerator and denominator. Minus, now for the second number we already have a 2 in the denominator, right? So we don't have to multiply. We're going to write the same number, which is a by 2 is equal to 12. Now this is a into 2 is 2a, so we'll get 2a. So this is 2a by 2 minus a by 2 is equal to 12. Now since denominators are same, we can directly subtract the numerator. So here we'll get 2a minus a by 2 is equal to 12. So 2a minus a is a, so a upon 2 is equal to 12. Now we don't want this 2 in the denominator, we're going to just remove that from here. So since 2 is in division, So we have to multiply 2 on the both the side. If it's in division, you have to multiply. So we're going to multiply 2 on the both the side. I'm not writing the statements because I don't have much space. I'm going to multiply 2 on the both the sides. So it's a by 2. I'm multiplying 2 on both the sides. So 12 multiplied by 2. So this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So therefore we got a value is equal to 24. So that's it. So this was a simple question. I hope it's clear how we have solved. Now, in case you have any questions or doubts, you can drop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching.